Posit connects the data science tools your team loves with the Databricks infrastructure your organization already runs on. We're the creators of RStudio and the only partner to win Databricks Developer Tools Partner of the Year 2 years in a row. Because we solve the scattered, siloed workflows that drain productivity and stifle great data science. Here's the problem. Data scientists need the freedom to use R, Python, Positron, and other tools they prefer, but they also need enterprise-grade governance, security, and scale. Without this, people turn to workarounds. Development happens outside the data platform, and everything slows down. With Posit Team, your data scientists develop faster, connected seamlessly to Databricks compute. They deliver insights, publishing apps, reports, and APIs directly from their workflow, with governance at scale, Unity catalog, access controls, and security flowing through every asset. From Posit Workbench, open RStudio, Positron, Jupyter, or VS Code, and authenticate once with Databricks. The session connects to a cluster or SQL warehouse, the same compute the rest of the org is using. No need to copy data or manually configure your environment. Unity catalog is right there. Browse tables, check lineage, inherit the access controls IT already set up. Work in R or Python with Positron's Data Explorer and context-aware AI assistant, all Databricks compatible. With Orbital, models translate into SQL that runs directly on Databricks. When work is ready, publish a Shiny app or quarter report to Posit Connect. Business users can query the data using Query Chat, all without knowing a line of code. Same governance, straight to stakeholders. With Posit, your team delivers the dashboards, apps, and AI products your org actually uses, from development to deployment, without the fragmentation bog. The proof is in the pudding. See Posit and Databricks in action, or book a demo at posit.co/Databricks.